Assalamu alaikum प्यारे बच्चों क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स टॉपिक comparing quantities question number 3 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? 72% 200% چھِ پٕژہو سٹوٗڈنٛٹو منٛز چھِ 200% یِم زَن میتھمیٹِکسَس منٛز گُڈ چھِ یعنی یِمن اَصٕل پٲٹھۍ میتھمیٹِکس تَگان چھُ تہٕ باقیَن رِمینِنٛگ چھِنہٕ تَگان پٕژہو منٛز کینٛہہ دَپان تُہۍ ؤنِو سا کۭتیاہ چھِ تِم یِمن نہٕ میتھمیٹِکس اَصٕل پٲٹھۍ تَگان چھُ کینٛہہ گوٚو 72% آف ٹوٹل students are good in mathematics. ठीक therefore 100 minus 72 is equal to 28%. 25 of total students are not good in mathematics. ठीक है गुरु तो 28% of 25 क्या गो 28 by 100 into 25 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 4 7 28 7 student ऐसा इशू पुछा मज तुम यमन मैथमेटिक्स असल पॉइंट तरह फिक्री की या यमन मैथमेटिक्स यहां समझ पे therefore 7 students are not good in mathematics. ठीक होगा 7 students पसंद बाकी अर्धा तेल अर्धा तेल अर्धा मंच तेल अर्धा मंच तेल अर्धा तेल ठीक पूछा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 छु गोबरा A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. The football team has a zin 10 match yum total match ma yum to yuta to gin. If their win percentage was 40 agar say tihond using zin average 40% then how many matches did they play in all tilko dashto sorry match gini usla let the total number of matches played is equal to x agar हम x गिमी तेल क्या गो matches won by 10 games percentage won क्या है 40% of x तेल that is 40 by 100 into x it is 40x by 100 if 40x by 100 is equal to 10 according to question imply that x is equal to 10 into divide it is 40 by 100 that is 10 into 100 by 40 0 10 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 10 2 2 5s are 10 5 5 are 25 go ungo asan tele puts image in therefore x is equal to 25 मैच आसते सारी यमो तेल गिनमित 50 मैच जीनमित 10 दैट इज 10 सू गो यमन 1% 40 तो लूज परसेंटेज 60